Did you know female butterflies have an incredibly short life after they emerge? Last week, I visited the butterfly farm in Aruba. The guide shared something fascinating about their life cycle. After a female butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, she mates with a male butterfly. Her adult life is actually very short. Over the following days, she spends that time laying eggs for the next generation. It made me reflect on how nature moves with such clarity of purpose. Life simply continuing life.